Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to add a sticker, a link sticker to Instagram stories. So let's just go ahead and make a new story, scroll all the way up, click on the plus, go to the story, and of course here just choose what kind of image or video you want to post. And in here guys, once you're already creating a post, you can just, as you can see, we have a little menu on the right, placed vertically. So just click on a sticker, and in here choose a link. There you go. As you can see a link right under the avatar. Click on this. And then guys, in here in the URL bar, you just post your link, then press finished. And there's going to be a sticker. You can also see the preview. You will see that a sticker will be placed on your story. You can just place it anywhere you wish. And the person that clicks on a sticker, when the post is already sent and posted, will be taken to that link directly. That is it, guys. Pretty easily done. Enjoy and like and subscribe.